Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be doing a little bit of a fall haul. I went shopping recently and got some cute sweaters, so I wanted to share them with you guys and kind of put together some cute fall outfits that could hopefully inspire you this fall. So I'm so excited for this video, if you can't tell. If you were wondering why I look the same exact that I did in my last video, it's because I do. I'm literally filming them right after each other. So if you're interested on how I got this makeup look right here, I will have that down linked in the description box below. But I'm so excited to do fall clothes. Before we get started, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Click that subscribe button down below. Hit that bell so you guys can get notified each time I upload, and join my glam fam. And with that being said, let's just jump right in. Alright, let's start with the first piece of clothing that I'm going to be sharing, and it's actually the sweater that I'm wearing right now. So let's move you on over here. So it's just this light gray sweater. I love how like big and oversized it is, but it kind of has the tight sleeves right here, so you can kind of wear it off the shoulder if you would like, or up on both shoulders. I like that it is a little bit cropped because I am so short, so everything that I wear is already like big on me, and I have like a really short torso and stuff. So I love like the size of this, and it is just so nice and cozy and warm, and I'm obsessed with that. So I just have it paired with this white bodysuit right here, some Forever 21 jeans, and then these Guess sneakers. Sorry, I'm out of breath. I was like changing and putting pants on. You know how that goes. So I love this sweater so much. It has definitely been a huge staple so far in my wardrobe, and I just love it. So I have it pretty casual right now, but you could wear it with like a dress or anything like that and dress it up or dress it down. But I think it is so cute and it's so freaking comfortable. So next, on the topic of like jackets and stuff, I picked this up at TJ Maxx too. It is just a denim jacket, but it is lined with Sherpa, and it has it on the collars up here too. I am freaking obsessed with this. I have been on the hunt for a Levi jacket that is similar to this too, but I wanted to find it on sale because they are very expensive. They go for like $75, and I picked this up for $24, and it is the same exact thing. Like everything about it is so similar, and I just love it. It is such a good quality. Like this is actually going to be a really sturdy jacket that I can wear and everything like that. I can't wait to pair it with cute sweatshirts and things like that, and just some cute comfy leggings. But I like, again, that it is oversized, so I can fit some long sleeve shirts or jackets or anything like that underneath. But oh my god, I'm so glad I found a great dupe for this at TJ Maxx. So I am loving this. Loving it. The Sherpa detail is just so freaking cute. I can't get over it. I freaking love it. And I got my fall candle. Lighten up. If this is not the most fall video you've ever seen, I don't know what it is. I would not pair it like this. I would probably wear it with leggings or something like that. But I just wanted to stay on the topic of jackets. Alright, the next one I got is this tan off the shoulder sweater. I also love the sleeves on this. These are so cute, but oh my god, I love this. I got this at TJ Maxx, again, for like 16 bucks, and I just love the detail that it's like off the shoulder, and it's just so cute. I love the sleeves on this. Like, I love the bell sleeves. I think that's what they're called, but oh, I just love this sweater, and it's such a good neutral. It kind of goes with anything that you want to pair it with. You could dress it up, you could dress it down, comfy or cute. Anything will kind of go with this, and it's just a good like neutral and staple, and definitely a must-have. So I love this sweater so much, and I love that you could wear it off the shoulder. It's so cute. All right. Alright, next I picked up this red sweater, which is so not like me. I hate color and everything about color. I'm such a neutral person, like black, whites, grays, tans, that's definitely up my alley, but red is really out of my comfort zone and things like that. But I got this because I think it's going to be so cute during like Christmas and the holidays and things like that. Like that's definitely when this is going to come out and thrive. So I love this. I got this at TJ Maxx also for 17 bucks. Love the oversized sleeves, but then they kind of come together, so it's not like always over your hand or anything like that. You can still do shit with your hands, but I love this. As you can see, the detail, it kind of has some cutouts, but it's just this really soft material, and it feels so good. But I think this is going to be so cute for the holidays, and I can't wait to kind of bring it out during that time and show it off. I think it's so cute. So that didn't take me long to go back to like my natural habitat. You can't go wrong with black sweaters. I picked this one up at Old Navy. It's just a great staple black sweater. Like you can't go wrong with this. You can wear it in so many different type of ways. I love that it's kind of slit up the side, so I tucked in the front and leave the back kind of hanging on its own. But I love the V-neck. I don't know if you guys can see it very well. My mirror, oh my god. Ah! All right, there we go. That's a little bit better. Okay, but I don't know if you can see, but there's just some knitted detailing right here on the collar and the sleeves, but you just can't go wrong with a plain black sweater. Like this is going to go with anything and everything, and you just can't go wrong. And I'm going to show you another black sweater that pretty much looks the exact same, but it's not. It's not the same thing. It's different. Okay, yeah, it's pretty much the same thing. I mean, what are you going to do? What are you going to do, okay? So this is my other black sweater. I picked this one up at TJ Maxx, and it's pretty much the same freaking thing. The only thing is this one is a little bit thinner, which I like for like right now where it's kind of in between summer and fall still, and it's still like really warm out, so it's a little bit of a lighter knit, and the other one I could wear kind of deep into the winter time. So I like both for different reasons, but it's pretty much the same freaking thing. Like it's just a little bit oversized in the right areas, and it kind of comes down to a V-neck right here. It has the tight sleeves, which I appreciate, and yeah, it pretty much is the same thing, but I love this. Again, like I said, you can dress them up, you can dress them down. They're just like a perfect staple, but don't judge me. Just please don't judge me. All right, back on my neutrals. This is just a plain like white ivory sweater. I freaking love this one. Like this is like the perfect sweater. Like just all around the perfect sweater. It's not too oversized. There's nothing complicated about it. It's just a plain sweater, and it is so comfy and cute. They have so many different colors and patterns and things like that, so I want to pick up some more, but I love this because it's just a plain sweater. Like there's nothing complicated about it, and it is so cute, and I freaking love it. So I'm definitely liking this one. This is going to be a huge staple like all fall and all winter, so I love this one so much. All right, last but not least, I picked up this sweatshirt also from TJ Maxx, and I love this too. Like this one and the jean jacket was such a good find because these retail for anywhere between 60 and 80 bucks. Like these are not cheap, these Adidas sweatshirts, and there's again like nothing complicated about it. They're just expensive for the brand name, but I found this at TJ Maxx and paid 25 bucks for it, so you can't beat that. I freaking love looking at TJ Maxx because they have such great stuff if you just kind of wait and are patient and are willing to like look through racks and racks of clothes. But I love this jacket so much. It has pockets too, which is really cool, but it's just like the perfect sweatshirt. Like I love this, and it's cute because it's like I'm kind of like a brand whore, but like I don't pay full price for it, you know, like whatever, but I just think it's so cute and I love it. And I'm definitely gonna regret buying white. I know I am because my makeup's like already on this part of it, but you know, whatever. Just my life. Spray tan and makeup is on everything, but I love this. And this outfit is just so like me. Like, let's just get on some clothes and get out the door and do what we need to do. Make this money and go on our day. Let's do it. So I love this. It's the best. All right, so that's going to conclude my TJ Maxx Old Navy fall haul. These are just pieces that I've recently picked up, so if you guys want to see another video, because I have so many freaking sweaters and jackets and such cute outfits, so if you want to see another video where I just kind of put together fall outfits, please let me know. Give this video a thumbs up if that's something you guys want to see, because it's definitely something I want to do. Who doesn't want to put on fun, cute clothes? Huh? Because I do. Okay. All right, so that will conclude this video. I am so excited to do more fall videos. I know I said that in my last one, but I really am. I love fall videos so much. I love watching them. I love making them, and I'm excited. So if you like this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. Click that subscribe button down below. Leave a comment, share some love, and I will hopefully see you guys soon. Bye.